So first open Premiere Pro, choose new project, name your project, and press OK. And then I'm going to drag my video clip into the projects area and then onto the timeline. Now I'm just going to play the clip and find the part that I want to make into a GIF. So I think I want it from when Cam zooms in to the old lady on the balcony and then when he zooms out. So I'm just going to press C. So that's like a keyboard shortcut and it will change the mouse to cut. So I select where I want to cut it and then I want the rest of this to be my GIF. So I'm going to press V and pause it. Press V. Select the excess bit and delete. Select the space before the film and delete. And then all of that is what I want to make a GIF. So I'm going to go File, Export, Media. And then I'm going to change the format to animated GIF. And then click on the name highlighted in blue and rename it and make sure I know where I'm saving it. And then you can't export audio in a GIF anyway, so that's correct. And then render to maximum quality. And then I'm just going to preview my GIF with this blue tab and then press export. And then now that that's exported, I can go ahead and open that up in an internet window and it can play for me and it just plays naturally on a loop. So this is my finished GIF. And this lady looks really angry, but in reality she was super nice, so this is actually quite hilarious. It's a good memory for me. And voila, that's how you create a GIF from a video in Premiere Pro. Super quick, super simple and minimal cutting and editing.